From being called a dunce to graduating with honors, it's the story of a university graduate whose passion for learning never stopped, despite being faced with countless roadblocks. Kean Morgan has more in this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope.
If determination was a person, then Saskia Christie is the epitome. At just 24 years old, it is fair to say the slew of hardships she has faced is too many for one lifetime. But what makes Saskia extraordinary is her zest for knowledge. Why? Because she was unable to read. Because of how my household were like, my mom have to sell, my brothers and sisters didn't really have much time for me. I lose focus. Saskia says at a very young age, she was exposed to things that children her age ought not to. That played a huge role in her performance at school. I used to bullied so much, like, you don't, you can't read. This also affected her matriculation to high school. Some of my colleagues did GSAT. I did not. They placed myself along with some of my friends at Young Woman Christian Association. I was in the class along with the rest of them, but you know, they were faster than me. But after 3 years, Saskia was transferred to the Spanish Town High School, having failed her exams. At the age of 16, she lost her home to arson, resulting in her failing her CXCs. However, it wasn't until Saskia was given another chance at the Jonathan Grant High School, where she got the hang of reading. This after a teacher took her under her wings. I was crying and she said to me that, "You don't worry, I'm going to ensure that you get in the system." She looked out for me every single day. That same teacher eventually adopted her. She assisted me in reading the Bible. Every Wednesday, every Sunday, she would ensure that I have a gleaner. Finally learning how to read at the age of 17, Saskia managed to secure 7 CSECs and 7 CAPE subjects. And with the assistance of sponsors, working at a funeral parlor, as well as selling homemade juices around Spanish Town, she was able to finance her way through university. She recently graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Social Work second-class honors. I don't know how I'm going to get my master's degree, but the way how I started my Bachelor's of Science, I know that God will find a way for me to get this. Her aim is to one day help others rise above their challenges. Difficult road leads to beautiful destination. You just keep on stay in the fight, because one day or the other, this is going to feel like a dream. You get what I'm saying? So you just remain focused. With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kean Morgan.
Ray of